Hey YouTube. So I am unboxing this wig that I purchased off of unice.com. I did purchase it with my money. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. But I just did want to show you guys what I got and how it looks. So I believe I ordered a 22-inch. It's a T-part closure wig. So it does has a little smell, but it feels extremely soft. So that is good. And I did order it with the new closure to where it doesn't have the fake scalp. So then I can, if I need to, still bleach the knots. But it is in like a ash brown tone, which kind of matches my hair color now. Let's see. If it fit. It does fit. On my big afro hair puff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of worried if this is 100% human hair, or if it's a blend. It does kind of remind me of the last hair that I got, the Brazil hair, but for it to be this soft and it's colored, it's almost giving me a little synthetic vibes. But I guess we could put it to the test. Do y'all know how to test to see if your hair is human hair or plastic? Also, I did want to mention that this is supposed to be 150% density. I don't really know what that means. I know it's supposed to be like the best density you can get, but as far as this go, how do I know? How do I know if it's 150% density? I don't. But it does have a, what is this? This is like a 1, 2, 3. This is probably like a 3x4 or something like that. Okay. Anyhow, I'm gonna put that back the way I got it. And I can show y'all what else came in the bag. So I'll put that back. She needs some work done to her. She needs a good old wash. She needs a good old bleach. She needs a curling job. But yeah. So it did also come with some little goodies in the bag. So we got a new cap, needed that. some eyelashes, which those are dramatic. These look like 5D lashes. Whoa. Look at that, y'all. And she's soft. Those are cute. I haven't really worn lashes in a minute, but oh, they gave your girl a rat tail comb. And it's not flimsy. Nice. And some little hoop earrings. I remember when I was in middle school and high school, I used to love getting these little earrings, even though they hurt my ears. It would be nice to know if these are hypoallergenic or not. I don't know. I doubt I'll be putting my ears to the test to see if they are, because the moment my ears start getting a little irritated, it's gonna be like that for a couple days. But yeah, so that was all that I got in this little package today. And I guess I should, I don't know, y'all let me know if I should show y'all how I spruce it up, jazz it up a little bit. This is my first time purchasing a wig off of any site from anybody. A human wig, which we really gonna put it to the test to see if it really is a human hair wig. And I'll show y'all in just a minute. But I just thought I'll show you guys like what came in this box. I just got it yesterday. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna end up looking in the end. Like I said, I thought that it would be a lot fuller than what it is right now. But the great thing about it is that I do have additional hair that I could probably clip in to make it even fuller. But we're gonna work with what it is currently and, you know, jazz it up a little bit. You know, of course, my hair is gonna have to be braided down before I put it on so that it could be flatter, you know, a little more sleek, which is another thing that I was looking forward to as far as getting this wig, is to have that flat, sleek look. So I am happy that it's not like too bulky, too big. I am happy about that. But I would love to see what it looks like with curls. I might have to put like some layers or something like that in it, but you know, we'll see as we go. But that's it for this video, other than the last clip that I'm gonna put in of me checking to see if the hair is real or not. So we're gonna really put it to the test. All right, check you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got 2 hairs. That we're about to test out. Yeah, see that? It turned straight to this.